Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another brand new video. Hope you guys are all doing well today. I do want to talk about Bitcoin and crypto, give you guys a little update what is happening with the crypto market today, and of course Bitcoin itself. And as usual, there is in fact a fair few Bitcoin charts that I do want to show you guys. And Dubai, okay, Dubai is now accepting Bitcoin and crypto for real estate purchases. That is what I want to talk about for today's video as well. So before we talk about all that, let me go ahead and show you guys what is happening with Bitcoin and altcoins today. So Bitcoin right now, still not really moving this morning. Okay, still holding strong at $68,000, $68.1 thousand. So we are in fact in the 1 hour time frame, and you guys can clearly see Bitcoin is still holding very strong at in between $67,000 to $68,000 for the past few days, right? Y'all can clearly see that. Same with Ethereum, right? We're not seeing huge movements right now for Ethereum, still holding at $2.6 thousand. This is exactly what we saw Ethereum, okay, 2,643. So it's still holding very strong. Solana today is actually pumping though. Okay, it looks like Solana is gonna reach back up to 160. Okay, and it did. Okay, but yeah, Solana's looking pretty good today. Okay, Chainlink, okay, still holding at $11. So altcoins, okay, some altcoins today, right, past 24 hours, we are in fact seeing some altcoins moving. Okay, look at, as I showed you guys, Solana, it's up 3%. Dogecoin is continuing to pump 3%, right? Dogecoin has been pumping for the past 3 days. It's been looking pretty good. We know, guys, for the past few days, a fair few alts haven't really been moving, but Dogecoin and other meme coins have been moving for the past like 2 to 3 days. Okay, so it's been looking pretty good for Doge, and look, Doge is still pumping, still holding strong at 14 cents right now, and it's up over 3%. For the past week, 7 days, it is up over 27%. Okay, so absolutely amazing to see for Dogecoin. Okay, Shiba Inu, okay, is up over 5% for the past week, right? I feel like a lot of memes have been holding very well for the past few days, right? Pepe, right, 5%, okay, for the past 7 days. So a lot of alts today, past 24 hours are not really moving. The market today overall is just slightly up 0.28%. Global crypto market cap still sitting at 2.35 trillion. So that's always great to see. Now I want to show you guys this, okay, this Dogecoin chart, because Dogecoin has been pumping, like I said, for the past 2 to 3 days now, right? And it's been holding very well. Like this week alone, it's up like 30%, right? And it seems like Dogecoin is about to enter a parabolic move, okay, and it's going to lead Dogecoin to $1. Okay, remember guys, back in 2021, when there was a lot of hype around Dogecoin, a lot of people were in fact predicting that Dogecoin had the potential to reach $1, but we obviously didn't quite see Dogecoin reaching at $1. But in this next upcoming bull run, right, will we see Dogecoin reaching $1 and higher, right? Is that possible? Honestly, I think it is, right? If we're going to see Bitcoin reaching new all-time highs, if we're going to see Ethereum 100% reaching new all-time highs, same with Solana and many more other altcoins, I don't see why Doge can reach back up to its previous highs, even reaching a new all-time high, which is over $1 at least. So I really do believe in the next bull run there is huge potential for Dogecoin to reach at least $1 and higher in the next upcoming bull run, right? So get ready, guys. Okay, if you guys are watching this video now and you guys still hold Dogecoin, there is potential out there to still make money, okay, with Doge, because a massive parabolic move is coming for Dogecoin, right? And I see it happening. I see the vision, right? I really do. So I want to talk about this, right? Because this is huge news right now for Dubai and Bitcoin itself and crypto in general, right? So Dubai now accepts Bitcoin and crypto for real estate purchases, guys. I thought this was already a thing a couple years back, but yeah, they just announced that they are in fact now accepting, okay, Bitcoin and crypto for property purchases in Dubai. Okay, and it makes sense, right? We know, guys, that Dubai is very, very Bitcoin friendly, you know, crypto friendly. Okay, you know, if you wanted to buy things, okay, it could be like a cup of coffee, clothes, right? It could be even like watches, right? Cars. You can buy all those things with Bitcoin and crypto in Dubai. So it will make sense with, you know, real estate, right? So this is absolutely amazing, guys, to see. You know, this is absolutely huge news. So it says here, can I buy property in Dubai with cryptocurrency? And it says here, yes, it is possible to buy properties in Dubai with cryptocurrency. Dubai has become a popular destination for crypto investors. And that also makes sense, right? A lot of us, you know, Bitcoin investors, you know, crypto investors, even traders, okay, are now starting to move to Dubai because understand it is tax free there, guys. Okay, whatever you make with Bitcoin and crypto, it is like tax free, 100% tax free there. Okay, you know, if you live in other cities, right, other countries, it may not be most likely, right, it may not be, you know, tax free. Okay, but in Dubai it is, right? So it makes sense why a lot of crypto investors are now moving to Dubai. And guys, I live in Australia, right? I live in Australia and I am, you know, in the future, I am truly planning on moving to Dubai because it makes sense, right? It's tax free there, right? They are crypto friendly, they are Bitcoin friendly, right? And this is the future of money and they understand, right, where Bitcoin and crypto is heading in the future. Okay, that's why they are accepting Bitcoin and crypto as payments. Okay, so it just makes sense for a lot of crypto investors to move to Dubai. And already, okay, a lot of people that aren't in fact in the crypto space, they are already in Dubai, right? Because it makes sense, okay, because it's crypto friendly there. Like everything there is crypto friendly, right? So this is obviously huge news, guys. Okay, you can now buy, you know, a property, okay, in Dubai using Bitcoin and crypto. Huge, right? That is massive. Okay, very bullish for Bitcoin and crypto, right? And I also want to show you guys this clip, okay, buying McDonald's in Switzerland with Bitcoin, right? And this is also one of the main reasons why I truly do believe, you know, Bitcoin is the future of money. Okay, it's peer-to-peer money transactions, right? It's completely decentralized. There's no banks behind it. There's no governments controlling it or anything like that. Okay, this is literally the future of money, and that's why I'm very bullish on Bitcoin and crypto. So check out this clip. Okay, this guy just went to McDonald's, okay, and he wants to, you know, buy some things at McDonald's, and he's using Bitcoin, right? This is the future of money, guys, with digital money, right? And it's fast. Look at that, just like that. Okay, so I am very bullish on Bitcoin in the future, because I really do believe it's going to be the future of money. You know, a lot more transactions will be used with Bitcoin. A lot of people will start using Bitcoin to, you know, pay for everyday things. Okay, so get ready for that. Okay, but yeah, getting into these charts. Okay, I want to show you guys this real quick because this chart is just clearly showing us here that whales are buying Bitcoin like never seen before. Okay, we know, guys, a lot of new whales out there are aggressively buying a whole bunch of Bitcoin. We know a lot of institutions out there are buying. We know BlackRock, for example, they are buying a whole bunch of, you know, Bitcoin. Even MicroStrategy, they are buying a whole bunch of Bitcoin as well. So you can clearly see a lot of whales, okay, have been buying a whole bunch of Bitcoin. Like, look at how much this has spiked up, right? Just recently, look at it for the past, like, what, few months. Okay, so it's crazy. They know something big is about to happen. We know that something big is about to happen. We know, guys, we are about to enter the next upcoming bull market, right? We're about to enter a bull market. We're going to enter a bull run. Bitcoin is ready to reach record highs. Same with Ethereum, same with Solana, same with Chainlink, and a lot of these altcoins will reach back up to its previous highs, even reach a new all-time high. Very possible. So a lot of these whales understand where Bitcoin and crypto is heading, you know, in the next remaining few months, and of course throughout next year in 2025. Okay, we're going to enter the next cycle, which is the bull cycle. Okay, so that's why they are simply loading up, and us retail investors, we should be loading up as well. Okay, this is obviously the perfect time to load up, right? Remember, guys, retail interest is at a low right now, And that's just a very, very clear signal that right now is obviously a great time to buy in, because Bitcoin is almost back up to its previous all-time highs. It's only at 68K. It's not too far off from, $73.7 thousand, and that was Bitcoin's all-time high, previous all-time high. It's not too far off. Think about it. Retail interest is at a low. Not a lot of people are interested in Bitcoin right now. That's just a huge signal that it's still a great time to buy into Bitcoin. Okay, it really, really is. So that's that. Right now, the Bitcoin bear trap is almost over. The bull market starts now, so very, very soon, guys. Okay, it may not feel like it right now, okay, but understand, okay, we are about to enter a massive bull market. This next upcoming bull market will be the most epic bull market ever of our lifetime. This is going to be like the most epic, the most biggest, okay, bull market of our lifetime. This one that is coming up very, very soon, next year in 2025. Understand that, guys. Okay, once we see Bitcoin breaking out, okay, from that resistance, okay, and of course reaching back up to its previous highs, it's going to reach a new high from there on. Once we see a clear breakout, right? And I told you guys that is in fact a very, very key level to watch. So understand, guys, very, very soon we're going to see a parabolic move coming for Bitcoin and crypto, okay, and we're going to see Bitcoin reaching record highs. And I do see Bitcoin reaching like 200K, right? 300K and beyond is very, very possible. And speaking about that, right, I want to show you guys this chart, right, because you guys just clearly see, okay, in the next bull run, Bitcoin to $280,000, right? So the Bitcoin bull run price target is 280. Okay, now that's very, very possible, and there is huge potential, and it's very, very possible that we could potentially see Bitcoin even higher than $280,000. I think 300K and beyond is very, very possible, right? And the next bull cycle, 800K to a million, 100% gonna happen. Right, guys, as I told you guys, okay, we got to think of Bitcoin long term. When you're investing into Bitcoin, you're always going to do it for your future self. Do it for long term. Don't do it for short term. Do it for long term. Bitcoin is a great asset to invest in. Okay, a great asset class to invest in for long term. Right, doing this for your future self. Right, you guys want to become millionaires. You guys want to, have wealth, and you will get all of that just by simply putting your money into Bitcoin, treating Bitcoin like it's your own savings account. Right, and we know in general, guys, if you want to build wealth, you got to invest in assets. And honestly, I highly suggest you guys invest into Bitcoin, because it is one of the best assets to invest in for long term to build generational wealth. It has store value. It's a hedge against inflation. Bitcoin is always reaching new highs, right? That's why I do believe it's a hedge against inflation. Okay, yes, it's volatile short term, but long term, it's always going up. Again, this chart just clearly shows you guys that every single time we enter a new bull market, okay, Bitcoin always tends to reach a new all-time high every single time. So understand, guys, in the next decade, I want to say, I would not be surprised if we see Bitcoin over $1 million, just like what this chart is in fact showing us here. Okay, over the year 2030, we will see Bitcoin over $1 million per coin. And that's why I've been telling you guys, I've been begging you guys to accumulate at least one full Bitcoin, right? Because this one full Bitcoin will make you a millionaire. Okay, not financial advice, always do your own research, right? So that being said, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end today's video. Hope you guys all enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to the channel. If you guys haven't seen my most previous video that I've uploaded yesterday, you should definitely check it out. It's very, very interesting. I talk about Bitcoin versus real estate, which is the better investment. So if you guys haven't seen that video, you should definitely check it out. I really would appreciate that. And it's like 20 minutes long, so it's a pretty good video. You guys should definitely check it out. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end this one. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Give a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.